Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 6, independent project 626. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course help on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do complete Microsoft Excel, complete Microsoft Word, complete Microsoft PowerPoint, and complete Microsoft Access. Please contact me on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. So we will go to SIMnet and we will go to Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 6, independent project 626. I am also handling other student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, Management courses, Business classes, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A plus grade. Okay, this is the title of project. Okay, you can see this is the title of project, independent project 626. Okay, so under this instruction, Clemson Imaging LLC monitors increased revenue from the use of CT scan equipment. You analyze the number of patient and procedures by technicians and location. File needed. Clemson Imaging 6 XLS available from the stored file link. Okay, link is available. Then complete project file, your name, Clem Clemenson Imaging 6 XLS. Okay, then we will skill covered in this project. You can see on my laptop screen. Okay, I have also read this under this. So you can see here file needed. Okay, we will skill covered in this project is here. Calculate the net percent value of a purchase. Use transpose to rearrange labels into a column. Concatenate cells to display full names. Use SUMIFS to summarize data. Calculate procedure times. Format times with functions. Sorry, format time with fractions. Step to complete this project. We need the steps to complete this project. Mark the step as checked when you complete them. Question number 1. Open the Clemenson Imaging 6 workbook. You can see here total question. We will increase the font size for a proper view in my video. We will open this XLS workbook. I have also downloaded from SIMnet. First link. I am opening this file. Click on Nibble editing button for a protected view. Okay, determine the net. Okay, this is second question. Question number 2. Determine the net percent value of a new equipment purchase. Point A. Click the financial sheet tab and select cell H5. Okay, financial sheet tab and select cell H5. Okay, so use VPN with the rate argument of 4.25%. Now go to formulas tab. In the function library group, click on insert function. We will enter search for a function VPN and NPV, NVP. You can see here is the use NVP with a rate argument of 4.25%. The rate is 4.25%, and then value 1, select cell D7 to D13 for the value 1 argument. Okay, D1 to D13 for value 1 argument. This is the same as entering each value argument separately. So point D, added the formula to add both cos. Okay, click on OK button. So added the formula to add both cos at D4 and D5. At the end of the formula, the net present value in 268.9 to $1.79 plus D4 plus D5. So its value is shown this. You can see the net present value is shown as here, $268.921.79. So question number 3, use transpose and concat to display technician's name. Use transpose and concat to display technician's name. Click the technician sheet tab. The names are in arrow and names are in rows. Sorry. Click the technician sheet tab. Okay, you can read this question. For point is that question number point A of question number 3. Click the technician tab. Okay. So the names are in rows. Select cell A4 to A10. 7 rows in one column. We will select cell A1 to A10. Okay. Point C, select transpose from the lookup and reference category and select cell A1 to G1 for the array argument. We will go to the formulas tab in the function library group. Click on result function. We will enter search for a function transpose. Okay. So array A1 to G1 for the array argument. A1 to G1. Okay. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Okay. Complete the formula. Repeat the transpose task for the first name in cell B4 to B10. We will repeat the transpose task for the first name in cell B4 to B10. We will select this cell same. We will go to the formulas tab in the function library group and we will click on insert function button. We will select enter here transpose, search for our function transpose. Okay, we will click on function argument array, same array B4 to B10. Sorry, array is B4 to B10. You can see, sorry, array was A1 to G1. Okay, select cell D4 and create a concat formula to display the name in the first name. Okay, we will click on cell D4, go to the formulas tab in the function library group, click on result function button and we will here concat, search for concat. Okay, we will concatenate test 1 and test 2. Copy the formula cell D4 to cell. First we will test 1. B4, test 2, test 3, A4. Okay, in that order the name, click on OK button. This is good. Okay, so point G, copy the formula D5 D10. So point H, click the summary sheet tab, select cell A5 and create a 3D reference to D4 on the technician sheet. Okay, click the summary sheet tab. So select cell A5. So and create a 3D reference to cell D4 on the technician sheet. We will click on the technician sheet. We will go to technician sheet. Click on cell D4 in the technician sheet and press enter. Copy the formula and preserve the borders. Copy the formula to cell A11 and preserve the border. Sorry, we will copy formula to so question number 4, use sum if as to total number of patients by procedure and technicians. Question number 4 is here. Use sum if as to total number of patients by procedure and technicians. Click the summary sheet tab and select cell C5. Okay. So use the SUMIF function with absolute reference to cell D5 to D41 on the procedure sheet as the sum range argument. Press is equal to enter SUMIF function. Sum range argument D5 to D41 on the procedure sheet. We will go to the procedure sheet and we will select this range D5 to D41. Sorry, D4 to D5 D41. Use absolute reference, enter dollar sign, press Ctrl and press 4 button for dollar sign. So the criteria range 1 argument is an absolute reference to the image type column on the procedure sheet. Cell E5 to E41. Critical range, go to the procedure sheet, we will select this range E5 to E41. Okay, we will enter dollar sign for absolute cell references. Control press 4 button for dollar sign. So the criteria 1 argument is a relative reference to cell B5 on the summary sheet. Okay, B5 is criteria 1 on summary sheet. The criteria range 2 argument is an absolute reference to technician's name column procedure sheet. Okay, so criteria 2 range A5 to A41. So enter dollar sign for absolute cell references. Okay, select cell A5 for the criteria 2 argument. Criteria 2 argument cell A5. Copy the formula to cell C5 to cell. Click on OK button. So copy the formula cell C6 to cell C11. Okay, this is good. So you can see I have done 50 to 60% of this project in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for this complete MC Grahil SIMnet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. I can do complete Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access with A+ grade. I am also handling other courses like MyLab Java, MyLab C++, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, MyLab Management, MyLab Business classes, and math classes, calculus 1, calculus 2, and many more online classes. Thanks for watching my video. If you need help in any class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I'm also handling writing courses for you with A plus grade. Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck to Mars student. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to Mars student. Thank you so much.